This content does not constitute and is not intended to be financial or other advice, and is not to be relied upon as the basis for any investment or other decision. Welcome to Coin Market Updates. Sometimes you wake up in the morning and the market looks like this. What do? Sometimes you get depressed, stressed, confused because of what you see, because now you can see that even your funds are going down. That's why I always say, even if you use cryptocurrency as a side hustle, it's important to be knowledgeable. The knowledge that I'm talking about you have to know when to buy and when to sell. In other words, excitement should not make you to marry a share or to marry a coin. And then at the same time, again, excitement should not make you or force you to buy coins when it's not the right time. So when the market looks like this, it's important to use logic. Sometimes you may need to wait for this coin to go down, to keep on dropping or to continue dropping. And by the time you think that this coin now is going to pick up, that might be the right time to buy. It might be the right time to buy. It doesn't mean it will be the right time to buy, because anything can happen when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So that is why it is important to diversify your portfolio. In other words, to buy more than 2 or more than 3 coins. It's important. Diversity is important. But what is more important, it's knowledge. And when it comes to cryptocurrencies, you should always be calm. And again, at the same time, as I've said, you have to use logic. Using logic means you should not put all your funds in cryptocurrency because someone has told you that you can make money, you can make 2,000% profit, you can make like a lot of money. You still need those traditional methods of investments. So when these coins are going down like this, you just watch them. If you have to sell, you have to sell. If you have to sell temporarily, and again you can do so and wait, maybe if it goes down, you buy it again. So this is what daily traders do. So the most important thing is knowledge. You have to be calm. You need to know when to sell and when to buy, and which coin to buy. And can you afford to buy maybe a certain percentage out of that particular coin? Can you buy half of that coin, or maybe a quarter of that coin, or a quarter of that particular coin? Like Bitcoin right now, the price is just a bit too high. So you need to analyze it very, very well.